Today I shall start exercise 5.3 question number 10. Listen, there are two questions in 10 but I have done one. Both are same. Now show that A1, A2 dot dot AN form an AP. At first you find out they are AP or not. And if AP, then find the sum of the 15 terms. Okay. Now listen. AN equal to 3 plus 4n. It is given. AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Show A1, A2, A3. Minimum 3 terms you find out. Minimum 3 terms. So in place of AN you write 1. So A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7, because 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. A2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. So 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. Now A3, 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 3 15, and so on. Now A2 minus A1 equal to 11 minus 7 4, and A3 minus A2 15 minus 11 4. Both are same. Since A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2, then yes, terms are in AP. Now find out S15. Directly I have put the values. Okay. Now 15 by 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into 4. 15 by 2. Now after calculation 14 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 4 ja 56. Now after adding you will get 70. And after 2 you divide 70 by 2 and get 35. And 15 into 35, 525 answer. Okay. Of an AP, Sn equal to 4n minus n square. Okay. Now there are many questions in this question. S1 means sum of the first term, that is A1 equal to question mark. S2 sum of the first two terms. A2 means what is the second term, what is the third term, and what is the 10th term, and lastly what is the nth term. So many questions here, and I have done one by one. Now look, Sn is given 4n minus n square. So to find out S1, in place of n you write 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. That is 4 into 1 4. 1 square means 1. That is 3 answer. Okay. Now S2, so in place of n you write 2. So 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Because Sn equal to 4n minus n square, so S2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 into 2 8, and 2 square equal to 4. So 8 minus 4 equal to 4 answer. Now third question is A2. A2 means second term. What is the second term? You know the formula. A2 equal to another formula S2 minus S1. Okay. A2 equal to S2 minus S1. So S2 equal to 4 and S1 equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 1. Now A3 third term. Formula of third term is S3 minus S2. You remember the formula. So S3 you have not know. So you put the values of 3 in place of n. So 4 into 3 minus 3 square. And minus S2 you know. So it is 4. Now after calculation 4 3s are 12 minus 9 minus 4. That is 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay. Now 10th term. What is the 10th term? A10. A10 equal to same formula S10 minus S9. So you put the values of n, 10 and 9 in the given equation. That is Sn equal to 4n minus n square. So S10 equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square. And S9 equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square. And put it within bracket. Now A10 equal to, after calculation, 40 minus 100, and here 36 minus 81. Always keep it in bracket. Now minus 60 minus 45. Minus 60 minus plus 45, that is minus 15. And last question AN. AN equal to Sn minus 1 because this previous. So Sn is given 4n minus n square and Sn minus 1 same formula 4n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. In place of n you write n minus 1. Okay. Now 4n minus n square. Now okay. Now look how I have broke the bracket. 4n minus 4 and minus and n minus 1 whole square you break up within the another bracket. Okay. N square plus 1 square minus 2 into n into 1, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now look how I have done the calculation. Here 4n minus 4, now break the bracket, minus n square minus 1 and this minus will be plus 2n. Now again break this bracket also. So signs are changed. Okay. Now look, plus 4n minus 4n cancel, minus n square plus n square cancel. Now what remains? 4 plus 1 5 minus 2n. Okay. Now next question. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Listen, positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18 and go on. So A equal to 6 and D equal to also 6. Now Sn. Now you write down the formula of Sn and now S40. So in place of n you write 40 and in place of A 6 and place of D 6. Now after calculation 20 into 12 plus 236 means 39 into 6 234 and 12 plus 234 246. So 20 into 246 you will get 4920. Okay. Now next question 13. Same type of question 12 and 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Multiples or divisible both are same. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24 and that is going on. So A equal to 8 and D equal to also 8. So Sn equal to I have written the formula and next line I have put the values of N, A and D only. Now after calculation 15 by 2, 2 8 is 16 plus 14 into 8 that is 112 and after addition 128 and 128 is divisible by 2 which gets the value 64. Now 15 into 64 960. Now come to the question number 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now look. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, first number is 1, then 3, then 5 and dot dot 49. A equal to 1, D equal to 3 minus 1 2 and An equal to 49. Now An you break. A1 plus n minus 1 into D equal to 49. Put the values of A1 and D. Then n minus 1 into 2 equal to 49 minus 1 48. Then n minus 1 equal to 24 after dividing by 2 and n equal to 25. Now you write the formula of Sn which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S25 equal to 25 by 2, 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 2. I have put the values only. So 25 by 2, 2 plus 48. That is 25 by 2 into 50. And after division we will get here 25. So 25 into 25, 625. Okay.